We are back with another video. All right, guys, it's your boy Young P-Town, Mr. Kicks and Fits, and we're back in the building with another video. So as y'all see, yes, I'm in the same clothes because I've been banging out these videos. And we have another pickup. I know I sound like a broken record. From Hibbett. Hibbett's been showing your boy some love. So as y'all see from the title of the video, I had grabbed these off Hibbett. Had to reach back and grab these. And when y'all see the box, y'all already know what they are. Woo! So yes, your boy had to grab these, the Jordan 3 Unites. Yes, had to grab them. So, you know, I know y'all seen videos on these. So here's my receipt from, here's my receipt from Hibbett. Got these under retail, paid $150 for them. So I had to pick my wifey up some shoes, so I saw these on there, was able to get a discount, so I was like, might as well just grab them. So as y'all see, it got that it may pick it up, it may not, but yeah, my camera's not picking it up, but the paper says Unite on it, which is pretty dope. And wow. Woo. So yes, got the Jordan 3s to just get rid of that paper. And I know y'all seen tons of reviews on these, so we just gonna hop right into it. Nothing crazy, so let me inspect them. Look fine. Got that Nike Air on the back that y'all love. To me, it doesn't matter. Got the red laces with the white laces, and got the Nike Air on the back. So it comes with the black. I may leave the black in. I did, like I said, I got the gray out from those N7s that I was looking at. I might lace this gray in here because just from the way it looks through the bag, it does look like it matches up with this elephant print. So I'm probably, when I do the on foot, I probably put one gray in so y'all can see, and leave one black in, and y'all let me know which one y'all like better. But I know y'all seen these. Y'all seen a lot of reviews on them. Let me take the joints out, feel this leather. This just standard leather on the Jordan 3. I will say this, I do think the leather on the UNC powder, the UNC 3s, I think that leather is better than this. But it's typical 3 leather, like it's not bad at all. I like it. It's not bad. So yeah, these right here, these were reach back. I think what retail was originally $200 on them, so got them for the $150. When you get anything under retail, it's a steal. So that's how I look at it. They probably I could have actually got them lower than that had I been trying to get them like a week sooner on Finish Line, because Finish Line had these for like $135, but I missed the sale, so I just grabbed them for $150. Ain't too bad. So yeah, man, these are dope. Got that Nike Air in the inside, personal size 10. So I'm about to shoot this on foot, and I'll be right back.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
So as y'all see, I killed it with that on foot. So like I said in the comments, let me know which one you like better. If you like the gray laces or the black laces, let me know. And you know, without further ado, that's going to conclude the video. So if you like what I'm doing, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to the channel. And we are out of here, guys. Peace.